Hey guys, running Kimono here. So even before we dive into the awesome deals taking place from the 18th to the 24th over at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. I know a lot of you are trying to save money, holidays, a couple months away, and this is a terrific app. You basically go to the store, buy any products, and you get points. These points collect towards gift cards and Scott's paper towel, toilet paper included, part of their catalog. You just download the app, use my referral code, it's right there on the screen. Photograph your first receipt. It could be an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning or a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens, and you're going to be given $2, which is 2,000 points. And these points start building really quickly. This is a very addictive app, and these points amount towards gift cards, and I think they have just under 200 gift cards in their catalog. And with Christmas just around the corner, you can scrimp and save, get some Visa gift cards going for you that you can use in store or online. So if you're interested, for new signups only, this is the code. And I mean, it's just an absolute terrific app to use. Photograph everything and anything to start collecting these points. So, you can have a couple gift cards to play with your Christmas budgets. So for new signups only, please check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, so normally I would never do this, but I have to because this is just fantastic in the middle of what we're all living through right now, this pandemic. This at Big Lots. So until Sunday, October the 18th, you can get a 5-pack of these Kanuki disposable face masks. So wherever they might have the face masks in the store, sometimes they put the stuff right at the front when it's a freebie. If you have a Big Lots store card, this is automatically loaded to your card. You can't see the coupon, it's just there. And at checkout, you get the cashier to scan your store card with this, and it's a free item. You don't even have to pay tax. So for the last month or so, there's been really great freebies with your Big Lots store card. And I think they do this right up until Christmas. They had hand sanitizer. They had 140 Christmas lights last week. I mean, they're throwing out all the stops to give us very nice freebies. So if you have a Big Lots near you, definitely throw this on your list this weekend. Just to have it even in your car as some backup masks. This is just fantastic. And this first deal, if you want to run out and do it before Sunday, you can do it because this deal is valid until October the 31st, but it's with IBOTTA, so definitely check your IBOTTA rebate if it's still there, if it's not there. We've had some problems, but it is to grab 2 of these Bic Soleil razors, $6.79 on a BOGO 50% off. So for 2 of them, that's $10.18, subtracting 2 $3 coupons from your smart source of October the 4th. Those don't expire till the 24th, so you have a little window to play with. Subtracting $6, you're paying $4.18 out of pocket. IBOTTA has a $6 back when you buy 2 and 2,000 points when you buy 2. So it makes this offer free plus a $3.82 money maker. So if you wanted to do it today, which is Friday, and then do it again on Sunday, I'm sure this rebate might reset, fingers crossed, but what a great little dealio. And another deal that we're going to talk about, it's with Shopkick, and it's with these M&Ms. So it's a new fudge brownie M&M, and I don't think it's doing very well. Like, people are not buying this. So it's either going to be $1.29 or 89 cents, depending what your store is. And 250 Shopkick points is basically $1. So you'll either pay like 29 cents or it'll be a freebie after Shopkick. So check your Shopkick account if you might have this. This possibly can be some free candy for you. Usually between a window of 24 hours, Shopkick rebates reappear. So if you wanted to do this on Friday and Sunday, it probably will reappear because it looks like nobody's interested in fudge brownie M&Ms. I do not know why. Okay, guys, so in your digital coupons folder, if you go to household, there were 4 boosters that showed up, and they are very unique, and we're going to show you some different deals with this. Multi-brand is basically anything in the store that isn't like, gift cards, lottery tickets, cigarettes, that sort of stuff. It's anything in the store. So this is the chronology of how they will come off. They will not stack together, so they're one at a time. The first one will be the 4 off of 12, then the 6 off of 12, the 4 off of 15, and then the 4 off of 18. So smallest to largest. Hopefully you can follow that chronology and really plan your baskets in accordance with this list if you've clipped all 4. If you just want to do one, which is the 6 off of 12, just load that one and you will be in business. But I would do all 4 because, hey, we like to save money on this channel. So these are valid from the 18th till the 24th. So Sunday moving forward, they will not stack. They are of a one-time use. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this, that is A-OK. Now, we also have these, which are spend boosters, so you have to pay cash for them, and they were just found at the top of my digital coupons folder. If you want to do all 7, I mean, go for it, but obviously the ones where you can use points are a bit better than these. And then a couple people were saying, well, can you stack both of them? And usually when you have 2 digital boosters, they don't stack unless it's an everyday one and then one of these. So it'll probably be one or the other, but these ones you have to pay cash for the balance. So thus, if you use points for the other ones, that's how you know these ones will not get triggered. And these are valid from the 18th till the 24th. They are of a one-time use, and typically these do not stack. The order of how they will come off is in the chronology of the $22 basket, $25 basket, $55 basket. So plan accordingly. And for these, you must pay cash for the balance. Now, at a couple stores that I was visiting in the last couple of days, this has been popping up along with a little printout saying, hey, the new system's going to be showing up soon. So when this does come to play, guys, we're definitely going to download this and figure it out. A lot of people are saying it's supposed to be very similar to the CVS Care Pass, I believe, which is pretty good. Everybody's saying that's really great. I don't shop at CVS. But when this thing does pop up, I'm just letting you know I've been seeing this in various stores. We're definitely going to do our homework and research and figure this out one way or the other. Lots of very smart ladies who shop with me. So we will figure this out one way or the other. And I'm just noticing signs and I wanted to share that with you. And one of you also was really kind to send me this, which is the booster. So this will be taking place from the 29th till the 31st. When you spend $25 on beauty products, you get back 7,000 points. So next week, I will have some matchups to accompany this wonderful booster. Okay, so this is the cover of the flyer from the 18th till the 24th. We are in spooky season, 2 weeks until Halloween. So lots of this stuff is buy one, get one free. And honestly, if you can hold out on your Halloween stuff, come Sunday, November the 1st, all this stuff will probably be like 50%, 60%, 70% off. If you love Halloween and you're a collector. And that's how a lot of us get a lot of decorations on the cheap. Okay, guys, first deal that we're going to look at are on these 12 packs of these different sodas, 2 for $6.19. So basically what it shakes out to is $12.38 for the 3. I would toss in 10,000 points, so you're really not feeling that one out of pocket, but I know Coke is always so expensive. So looking at it with one of these boosters, I would try and work this one into the mix, and you're going to have to use these strategically to get them to line up perfectly. So grabbing 3 Cokes for $12.38, subtracting that 6 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying $6.38 for the 3, or $2.12 per pack. I mean, that's just a fantastic deal. And if you want to use points to pay down your balance, that's totally fine. Okay, this next deal is quite fantastic. It is with the Dove men specifically. 5 off of 4 digital coupon, and they're varying from $4.99 to $6.99. Now, I believe the deodorant is gone, but there is men's body wash and bar soap that's part of this. So factoring in another booster with this deal just to sweeten it up, let's throw in this one, a 4 off of 18. Obviously, the 6 off of 12 is the better one to use, but say you had this one. IBOTTA has $2 back on the body wash that you can do up to 3 times. Please scan these body washes with your IBOTTA app to make sure that you're grabbing the right one, along with one of these 6-pack of the Dove Men Bar Soap. And make sure that the IBOTTA rebate is attaching along with the 5 off of 4 digital coupon. So use both the IBOTTA and Walgreens app to scan to make sure you're grabbing the right stuff. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 3 of the Dove Men body washes at $5.99 a pop is $17.97. 1 Dove men's bar soap, that 6-pack is $6.99. So your total here is $24.96. Subtracting that 4 off of 18 booster, and the 5 off of 4 digital manufacturer coupon, you're left with paying $15.96 out of pocket, $2 rebate on each from Ibotta, so you're getting back $8, $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per Dove product. Let's not forget to photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because Dove is part of Unilever. You get back extra points for this purchase, and if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it for this little dealio. Okay guys, now looking at the Scott's products, $5 each. There's a $1.25 IVC found in the October Big Book, dropping it down to $3.75. That IVC, you can either find it in the store right at the front. There's a little booklet, or alternatively, you can load it digitally if your cashiers won't scan anything for you and just scream at you all day. That's the way to do it, is just to load it digitally. And we have the all products for $2.99. There will be a $1 digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $1.99. Considering this is usually $6 on a non-sales week, this is just awesome. And then this is also great, $2.99, 50-cent coupon showing up on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $2.49 for the Downy Bounce Dryer Sheets or the Tide Simply Clean. I would go with the Downy. Why not? So let's just say if you have a 4 off of 12 and you want to do like a little itty bitty basket with this. Obviously, the 6 off of 12 is more savings, but looking at it with the smaller one, grabbing 2 Scott's products at $5 a pop, that's 10. One all for $2.99, one Downy for $2.99. Your total right there is $15.98. Subtracting the IVC, scan it once and $2.50 will come off. Your new total is $13.48. That 4 off of 12 booster is coming off, along with $1.50 of digital manufacturer coupons. You're left with paying $7.98 for the 4 or $1.99 per product. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. But this is some meat and potatoes like paper and detergent. Every couponer needs it for their stockpile. The next deal, this is also really fantastic. This is a buy 3, get 1 for free on Tide, Downy, the Unstoppable, or those fancy schmancy dryer sheets. So really a great little deal. And we're going to factor in this booster, which is the 6 off of 12 if you might have it, to use it with this little transaction. So let's grab 4 of these products at $4.99. One of them will be completely for free as the store promotion, so that's $14.97. Utilizing 2 $2 coupons from your October P&G. Those do not expire till the 24th. And then one $2 coupon from P&G Good Every Day for one of these products. Now, you got to print it the morning of because P&G Good Every Day, those expire within 24 hours. It's a really short window. Subtracting the 6 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying $2.97 for the 3 or 74 cents per Tide product. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now, for a lot of you who might not have those $2 Tide coupons or just have absolutely nothing, if you might have some register rewards, throw it into one of these deals. You can still make magic happen. Like this would be the equivalency of those 3 coupons. Boom, there it is. Now let's talk about some diapers. The Pampers are 2 for $20. There's going to be a 2 off of 2 coupon showing up on Sunday morning and a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So let's look at using this coupon. If you really need diapers, this would be the one to use for this little dealio. So looking at this, buying 2 of them for $20. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital and the 6 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying $12 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per pack. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Now let's remember too, with those boosters, if you just have the one loaded, obviously only the 6 off of 12 will come off. But if you have all of them loaded, you might have to work them kind of strategically to, spend the 2 $18 ones first or like rework it that way. You guys are smart, but just to note that though, like don't go into this blindly thinking, oh, it's going to work. There needs to be a little bit of planning to get all these to work perfectly. Okay, guys, next deal that we're going to look at is the Revlon 30% off $5 register reward when you buy 2. Now, unfortunately, the manufacturer coupons that were floating around all expired on the 17th. Did they time this out right or what? But hey, with those either the 6 off of 12 or the $4 boosters, we still can make a really great deal happen. For the purposes of this matchup, we're going to go with this one. Why not go with the biggest one? And then if you go into your digital coupons folder, I have this 3 off of 2 for a Revlon eye cosmetic. So specifically for this deal, we're going to go with mascara. Okay, so we're grabbing 2 Revlon mascaras at $8.99 a pop. That's $17.98. Subtracting 30%, $5.39 is coming off. Subtracting with the 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer, along with the 6 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying $3.59 out of pocket, getting back your $5 register reward, making this free, plus a $1.41 moneymaker. If you want to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. And the final deal that we're going to talk about is with the Renuzit cones. They're 89 cents each with the digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday morning, which is buy 4, get 2 for free. And that's not a bad little deal. Now, if we go over to our Ibotta account, we have this $1 back when you buy 3. Yours might be a little bit more than mine, but mine's $1 back when you buy 3. So grabbing 6 of these cones at 89 cents a pop, that's $5.34. Subtracting the buy 4, get 2 for free, $1.78 is coming off. You're left with paying $3.56 out of pocket, making that $1 back submission to Ibotta when you buy 3. The final price point here is $2.56 for the 6 or 42 cents each. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Okay, let's talk about some honorable mentions. They are really trying to push flu shots like crazy. So if you haven't got your flu shot, with your insurance card, it will be for free. And then you get a $5 off when you spend $20, which is always nice. Candy is supposed to be 2 for $1. Which is really inexpensive. Now, if you remember at the front of the video, I was talking about this Shopkick rebate for 250 points back when you buy these fudge brownie M&Ms. So if it is in fact part of it, you possibly can get 2 bags of the fudge brownie M&Ms completely for free, because $2.50 is basically $1. So how fantastic is that? This is a month-long promotion. Buy 2 of these Schick creams, get back 2,000 points. There have been dollar Peelies and dollar coupons circulating in the different inserts, so you can get some free shaving cream this month. So maybe this might be an extra item to add to one of your baskets. We have these gift cards, which are buy 2, typically for $15, get a $5 Walgreens gift card. So if you need some gift cards, this might be a great deal for you. Okay, so these Walgreens sandwich bags are on a buy 1, get 2 for free. The first one will be $2.79. The other 2 are free. So basically shakes it out to 93 cents each. Not a bad little deal. The Walgreens brand trash bags are $5.99. So even factoring in a booster with this, something that doesn't have a coupon with it, you possibly could get some of these trash bags really cheap. More inexpensive soda is the 7-Up Dr. Pepper, 3 for $9.99. So that is not a bad little deal, considering that they're usually $6.19 for these 12 packs. And on the toys, this is buy 2 at $6.99, get 1 for free. So, if you were trying to stock up on some toys for Christmas, this might be a great deal with one of those boosters. And these butter cookies are $2.99 for a 12-ouncer. I think typically they're closer in the $4 neighborhood. They're not cheap, these ones. So when you find them for this price, I know a lot of you will stock up. So something to consider. And then the final really inexpensive item that I would buy is the Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $8, so $4 per pack. If you go to any grocery store, they're upwards towards $5 or $6. So they're practically giving this away, throwing in a booster. And this is also part of the Fetch Rewards gallery. Photograph your receipt if you're buying this bacon for extra points. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.